can I have some crab? But I don't want any dumpling. I can get some cuckoo instead? Yes, honey. She said, sure, like you are in for a surprise. This is Miss Trims, guys. Of course, you know, world famous. Everybody know about Miss Trims. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. And she sauced me down too. Look at that crab. Wow. You know how many yellow pepper? And a bottle of water. No Tobago trip would be complete unless you had crab and dumpling. In my case, I'm gonna have crab and cuckoo, which is like cornmeal mixed with like okra and stuff like that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, the cuckoo is soft, guys. Mmm. Okay. You don't like the crab? It's all hands in. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So you gotta suck all that curry crab. And then you break it. Mm-hmm. Ooh, guys. What it, look. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I don't have to get so nasty with it, but you gotta get nasty with it, you know? You gotta suck the crab. I'm gonna be honest. There's a lot of stuff going on inside the crab. Seasoning, the marinade, everything. You mix the meat up. You see right here? Meat. Suck. Take it apart. I ate all that stuff and my plate is still full. Look how soft this cuckoo is. It's just like butter. I mean, is it ice cream? Is it cupcakes? Or is it soaps? Food for the skin, my girl said.
Almost edible, not eatable.
Almost edible, not eatable. So you can lick it with a swallow. Lord have mercy. My cousin told me about this, you know. My cousin in Florida told me her and her husband came here. And they were so interested in getting some cake.
And you return tell them that we miss all of them.
Tell them that you miss all. Don't hide now. Don't hide. You're too nice.
No, tell them we miss them good because like just around. Oh, I don't like that.
Once you're talking, I get in here. She's shy. And look at you. Listen, these are by your hands?
No.
Okay. Tell me.
That's why I'm not. That's why I'm shadowing. No. But no, we have a lot of, you know, we used to be here plentiful before the COVID. Now
Right.
COVID, now things change around.
This looks so good. Clean away. Look at that. I will tell them. Look at that. It looks like cookies. Who idea was this?
And where you living?
I live in Trinidad. Well, I am currently in Trinidad. Well, let me ask you a question now. Like, how did you all start this?
No, well, it's not. It's someone else. It's one day from Americans. Using their fruits and vegetables and making different type of soup, body butters, body scrubs, and every time your skin, taking their cells off and exfoliating.
Okay.
And it's sensitive because I don't know whose skin is sensitive.
Well, let me buy something now.
Some people's skin sensitive to chocolate, waffle, pineapple, sea salt, and so on. So it's all natural stuff.
Look at that stuff,
Very
guys.
delicate.
She keeps saying food for the skin, guys, and when you look at really almost edible, but
Buns, pavement foil, insect
you think that that's a cake? That is not a cake for eating. It's a cake design, but it's actually soap. It's soap. It's soap. Chocolate and yogurt cupcake soap. This is soap. This is soap. This is soap, guys. Look at that. That's soap. Someone did this. Someone did this, guys. Look at that. So good. Come visit Tobago. Okay?